Hello, Annabel Bateman here, and we are doing an A to Z of doTERRA, different products and oils, just to give you some ideas as to practically how to use the different products in 3 minutes or less. So this is actually the second recording. The other one was too long, but I'm going to show you, tell you a bit about blue tansy. So blue tansy is a really fascinating essential oil. It's very deep blue in colour. And it is one of our more valuable oils, certainly one of the more expensive ones. It's $140 for this 5 ml bottle, but you only use a tiny bit. And really, I would add 1 drop into my facial oil. It's probably the most common way how I use it. And that can last months. So, you know, this bottle, which you can't really see, it's quite... but it's like about a bit under a half. I've had it for pretty sure well over a year. So it lasts a really long time. Now you can see here that my hand is blue. I put a drop of this onto my hand and it is really quite deep and blue in colour, and that will fade over time, probably over the next 10-15 minutes, but it's not one you will want to put, certainly not neat or high or too highly or in too low a dilution on your face right before you're going out. A good one for nighttime. So blue tansy is especially good for your skin. It is also in both ice blue, which is the soothing blend, so that gives you an idea that in a massage, the carrier oil also really nice for soothing muscles and joints, and it is also in the grounding blend, which is balance. So you might know, if you're familiar with either of those two oils, that they actually are a bit blue in colour, and that actually comes from the colour of the blue tansy, which it's very, very dark. Even I might just put the edge of a drop so you can see it's a really deep blue colour. And the balance is the grounding blend, which is my favourite one for stress, so calming, soothing. So you think it's in the soothing muscular blend, it's also in this, you know, calming, soothing, aromatic blend. So aside from its skin benefits, it can also be used in those soothing ways. So add it to your skin oil, your facial oil, your body butter, anything that you really want to nourish your skin. So if you want any more information about blue tansy, let me know, and I'd love to help you. Thanks everyone. Bye.